Here we have a 2019 19 plate BMW 420D M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just hiding behind them we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. Now we do also have the LED headlights as well as the black kidney grills. Full M Sport styling kits, you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and rear spoiler. You also have a black rear diffuser. And there's a look at another alloy wheel. Now we do have the blacked out styling, so you get the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass on the rear. Shark fin antenna, and there's a look at another alloy wheel with the M Sport logo on the caliper just popping through. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with dual exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. The rear does look superb from every angle, and the Snapper Rocks paint code rear does pop from every angle. And there's a look at the last superb alloy wheel. Now if we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now as you can see we do have full Dakota leather throughout with the pull down armrest just there. We also have vents in the centre with 12-volt connectivity and storage behind the driver and passenger seat. We have your electric windows with your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Now there's a quick look at the driver's seat, which is heated, electric and memory. Now we do have your electric windows with electric power folding mirrors, as you can see just there, and integrated Harman Kardon speakers there as well. Now jumping inside the car, you have your auto lights just down there. Foot on the brake, we have your keyless start. You also have your stop start on and off there as well. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter and paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle has done just over 15,470 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we do have auto wipers there, and on this side you also have your auto high beam assist. Now we do have the screen just in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation. We also have media connectivity, we have DAB radio. Scroll across, you can find an FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. Now we do also have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Navigation, and we do get to different drive modes where we do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Now click on Sport displays, it also gives you the kilowatts and the newton meters torque that you're currently using. Pop it into reverse, you do have your visual display of your front and rear parking sensors, as you can see just there. Now coming just off that and coming down here, you do have your dual zone climate control, which works exactly how you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon for those hot summer days, and for those cold winter mornings you also have your 2 heated front seats, which work exactly how you would expect them to. Coming down here, you have your storage tray just there. Pop this open, you do have 2 nice size cupboards, 12-volt connectivity, and you have your key just there. Traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select, and also your parking sensors on and off. Now this is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen, as well as the fact that it is touchscreen, as you can see just there. You're in my vehicle, you can also go on that and scroll through the settings just there. Soft touch leather armrest, which moves forwards and back to suit your driving position. And there's a look at the passengers, full Dakota leather front seat again with the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.